Welcome to Valhalla Custom. Today I want to do a short little unboxing video and show you something new that we got for the project. Order just came in from Brockman Mellotone. Wrote a nice little thank you on there for me. So let's see what we got in here. Ordered a couple of pencil tips. Wrapped up pretty nice. And if you don't know what you're going to do, pencil tips always look good on a 50s car. Those are pretty slick. Those are 2.5 inch. And then custom Brockman Mellotone glass packs. So check these out. Louvered spun core. And then everything was custom built. The length, we did steel pack. Sorry, we did glass pack. I was going to do steel pack, but they said this offered a little bit more Mellotone and lasted longer. So I gotta say, these look real nice. You can tell that they're not machine welded, they're hand welded, but man, what a nice job. Both ends here. I'm very happy. These look really nice. Can't wait to get these on the car and test them out. Heard a few sound videos online, but we're gonna see what it's gonna sound like in our application. They recommended not running resonators, so we're going to set up the system without resonators first and see how that sounds. If we have some drone or it's a little too loud, then we'll add that in the system. Not positive if we're doing a crossover yet or not, but we have a crossover already, so we decide if we're going to add that or if we have space for it. But here they are. We're not quite ready for install yet, but pretty soon, working our way there. All right, thanks for watching. These look really nice. I'm very impressed with the quality. Let's just see how they sound, but they look great. So looking forward to seeing them installed. Thanks for tagging along.